1, 2, 3, go. Hello guys.
Okay.
This is Aurora right now playing Play-Doh. How do you do, Aurora?
This
Can-
is the Play-Doh.
Okay, what color is that?
This is brown. This is brown. This is red. This is orange. This is blue.
Okay, can you sound a little bit bigger? Your friend cannot hear you.
So
Can you explain what is this all about in the floor for your friend in YouTube? What are you gonna do?
This on kitchen.
Okay, that's a
Jadi,
triangle.
Jadi you guys, ini kan tiada kitchen. Jadi
In
ini
English.
pura-
In English, you wanna make pizza with this.
mendel. Ini mendelnya.
Okay, that's the.
Ini mendelnya, teman
Okay,
guys.
that's the pancake machine.
Iya, teman guys.
Mhm.
Jadi yang pada lama jadi
Mhm.
langsung saja ya teman guys.
Okay.
Dia tidak lama.
Okay, you can do it. What color you gonna make? Pancake and pizza.
First I'm gonna bake cake.
Mhm. Brown, and what color you gonna use the Play-Doh?
Tengok.
Okay, blue. Wow, that's a lot of blue.
Bluenya ini terlalu besar jadi six aja ya.
Okay, you can use this one or this one too.
Kayaknya ini ini aku punya.
Okay, this is your grandma and your grandpa. Tidak nak ini. Okay.
Tapi cuma foto-foto. Wih.
Wow. Enggak apa-apa. It's okay.
Sedikit lagi semua saya mau light off.
Oh no. Just playing light off, not playing.
So aku mau dari dulu ya.
Okay. Can you use the scissor?
I think I'm gonna roll it up. Ini sampai besar. Jadi kami ditaruh.
Opa mau nonton dia pe YouTube yang Ses kasih masuk ada.
Karena ini ada gunting.
Oh, tunggu ya.
jadi